Look. Let go me. Keanu! It's your divine voice! Keanu!
You gotta relax, man.
Get her out of there. Get her out of there.
You guys need a restraining order on this one. Yo, why are you bugging out?